Alright, now I have all the wires spliced and crimped and attached. I verified everything here. The last wire was a green-white, so I double check. Of course, this one, there were two green and black wires. I verified. I basically removed this pin. I used the voltmeter, and I ensured that this is in fact the green and black that I need. And I cut any excess wires, so there are 3 wires that I don't need. I cut them, but I cut them in such a way that I fold them here, and I just use tape to isolate them. And then you do the same thing on this side. I cut them, and then I isolate them, and then I tape everything and I group it to the harness. So this is still loose. We're going to be grouping and then using tie wrap the same way that it was initially installed from the factory. So we're going to use a tie wrap that goes through here and then tie it up, and then we'll start assembling things back. Just before the video cut off, I was trying to explain that I cut threads through here. I was giving some hints on how to introduce new threads to freshly drilled holes, but the video cut off for some reason. So anyway, we're going to continue working, and we'll check back probably in the next episode. I think this one is self-explanatory, the rest of the process. So I'll assemble everything back and connect it, and then I'll see the behavior of the car. Now if for any reason I'm starting to get faults or anything, I'm just going to disconnect this connector here and this one here, that one there on the brake booster, and just leave them in stored, of course insulating them and leaving them stored until I finish the retrofit. But if there's no impact, then I'll just keep driving. Honestly, I feel much more comfortable if I can just remove them and put them on the side, but we'll see what happens in each step. Assemble the wiper arm and the wiper motor, assemble the covers here, put in the tray with the new bolts, and this is broken, but yeah, well, we'll just put her back together and see what happens. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of this retrofit.